Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on your iPhone or iPad. Open Settings and tap your name at the top. You need to be signed into the Apple ID that contains the Visa card. Once there, choose Payment and Shipping. You may be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Do this now because Apple requires verification to change payment methods. Make sure subscriptions linked to this card are noted so you can switch their billing if necessary before removal. You'll see a list of payment methods. Tap the Visa card to expand it. If a remove option appears, tap Remove and confirm when prompted. You may need to authenticate again. If Remove is grayed out because the card is your default, add a new payment method first by tapping Add Payment Method and entering new details. Once the new method is active, return and delete the Visa. This ensures purchases and subscriptions continue without interruption. After removal, review payment and shipping to confirm the Visa card is gone and that your preferred method is marked primary. If the card won't delete, make sure there are no unpaid balances, pending refunds, or active subscriptions tied to it. Those block removal. If you still encounter errors like authorization failures, sign out and back into your Apple ID or reboot the device, and then contact Apple support for account-level assistance. That usually resolves account flags that prevent edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.